Okay, part 2. Okay, markup, discount, and tax. So markup, that means we're increasing the price. Okay, markup, you're going to pay for 100% of the original plus, all right, your markup percent. Discount. Good grief, pen. You're going to pay, you're not going to pay for 100%. Okay, so we have to take that original 100% and we have to subtract off the discount. Tax, we treat the same as a markup. Now, when we're talking about tax alone, okay, it's basically the same thing. Okay, we're paying that percentage of the total. Okay, like when you go to the grocery store. So tax follows the same thing. It'll be a little bit different on part 3, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Also, those of you that may be listening in, gonna give you some bonus opportunities here. If you watch this video, I will give you an additional 5 points if you email me the code word, not COVID-19, but summer 20. All right, email me summer 20. You can get yourself 5 bonus points. All right, moving along. So let's look over here at number 2. We're gonna set it up similarly as we did here. Pull this down. So we have a comic book that's gonna cost us $3.95, and it has a 20% markup. So we know that we're gonna pay for that entire $3.95. We know we're gonna pay that $3.95. Markup, we're also gonna pay 20% in addition to that. So 20% of that number. So when we start saying the word of, multiply. So we're gonna add 20% of that $3.95. Okay, so this $3.95, we know we're paying 100%. Okay, so that times 1, it's gonna be the same. So 20% of $3.99, well, to use my handy dandy calculator, okay, if we don't have a percent button, okay, I have to move it over 2. So really, this is gonna be $3.95 plus 0.2 times $3.95. Let's go ahead, I'll follow order of operations. So 0.2 times 3.95 gets me 79 cents. So 20%, okay, if we're putting in a 20% markup here, that's an additional 79 cents. So when I get my new price, right, $3.95 plus this guy, for a grand total of $4.74. All right, that is the selling price of this item, okay, if we have that discount. Now, another way of looking at this is, okay, so instead of doing this addition, because we know how to factor, okay, we could factor out that $3.95, right? So we're paying 100% plus 20%. So we're gonna pay 120% of that item. So we know that all we need to do is find 1.20 of that $3.95. We'll get the exact same answer. So 1.2 times 3.95, 4.74. All right. So that's our markup, because we're paying more than just that $3.95. Make sure, again, we're showing our work. I don't care if it's on notebook paper or if you print these out, show the steps. Don't just give me answers. I want to see where they come from. Let's go down. We got all markups here. Let's slide down to number 10. Okay, we got a discount. All right, so if we have an original price of $18.50, we're discounting 45. Okay, we know we have the original 100%. We're removing 45%. Okay, so you need to do that subtraction there. We're really only paying for 55%. Now you could do the same thing we did here in number 2, okay, but use subtraction, or we can go the shortcut route. All right, we're really not paying 100% for number 10. Okay, we're really only going to pay 55%. So we're trying to find 55% of that $18.50. Pins. So percent to decimal, tink, tink. So 0.55 times 1850. 0.55 times 18.5. All right, this time we get it 10175. Now, can we use that as a dollar amount? No. Dollars only go out to, and change only go out to 2 decimal places. So this fella here tells that guy to go up. So it's $10.18 is our new selling price. All right, so we went from $18.50 to $10.18. All right, if you're not sure if you're doing this correctly, we should know if we're getting a discount, that number needs to be smaller than my $18.50. And it is. All right, let's do one tax, and then I'll turn you loose. Let's see. Looks level, nope, 18. So 18, we're paying 4% tax. We're paying 4% tax on that total of $90.50. Okay, so we're paying, we can go same way as number 2. Because we're still going to pay that 100% plus the 4% of that 100%. So we're really paying 104% for that book when we include our tax. So turn it into a decimal, because we've got 90.50. So 1.04 times our $90.50. So 1.04 times 90.5 gets us $94.12. Right. So carry on. Make sure you're showing your work, okay? Whatever work that may be, right? Especially, like, even if it's stuff you type in the calculator, go ahead and show it, okay? Show those results. Get into that pattern of working, okay? The repetition should make this easier. I know you're doing online shopping and not in-person shopping. All right, I'll be back for part 3.